Part 2, my stinker binker boot nutter pooter boot on how to run a food truck business in this AI era while simultaneously mastering making your profits. Yeah, some of that. But first, yes, I said part 2 because part 1 is on my other TikTok page at I'm Shaquila. Yeah, on TikTok these days, you need a backup page, right? Okay, so on my primary page, I posted part 1 of running a food truck business using AI while mastering your profits. But we're on my Black Girl Magic Masters page. Yes. What is it? Black Girl Magic Masters LLC, where we're on a mission to restore communities financially. Some of that. Now let's get back into this video because time is of the essence. Running a food truck business in this AI era. Let's get it. Now let's dive in, shall we? Let's dive right on in. So remember, this is part 2 of Mastering Business Profits course using food trucks as an example. And this is chapter 1 of that business profits course. So let's get into it. Mastering Business Profits course, chapter 1, using food trucks as an example. All right, let's get into part 2 of where we left off at working capital, right? Now remember, we said that the working capital formula was your current assets minus your current liabilities equals working capital. But did you know that there's a working capital cycle that most businesses go by? Now, I don't know how much it will work for your food truck business, but the working capital cycle kind of goes like this. This is how your money flows through your business. You use cash, and then you take that cash, and then you buy inventory with it. Now, that inventory is either going to sit there or you're going to find, wonderful ways to sell that inventory, and you just might allot for people to buy stuff on credit, and that is called accounts receivables, but they'll pay you back in cash. Then you'll buy more inventory, and then the same cycle continues on. You get accounts receivables for those that are having trouble paying on time with regular businesses. Now, when it comes to food trucks, your business working capital cycle would not be like this because, first of all, you're selling the food out your truck that day. But moving right along because time is of the essence. Food truck operations. This is what you need to operate your food truck in this AI environment. First of all, your food truck needs to have and be data driven, meaning it needs to have predictive demand forecasting. You need to be using AI tools that'll integrate your POS data with local event APIs. That's application programming interfaces. Anyway, this is to analyze your past sales, the weather patterns, and local happenings so that you can predict exactly how much food you need to prepare. This reduces food waste up to 30% and prevents stockouts, significantly boosting your profit margins, which we will talk about profit margins further in this course. Now, AI inventory management. You need to implement systems that track inventory in real time, automatically calculating when stock is low, and even placing orders with your suppliers. As well as you need to have dynamic pricing, where you're using AI to adjust your menu prices in real time based on your peak demand periods, weather, or event-specific crowds, which will help increase your revenue by 5 to 10%, right? Now, we also need to focus on location and revenue. AI-driven route planning basically means using machine learning to analyze your foot traffic, traffic patterns, and social media trends to determine the most profitable spots to park each day. Now, you can pre-order systems using your AI, because leveraging AI-powered mobile apps that let customers order ahead reduces wait time and increases your throughput. All right. Now, here's a hybrid business model you need to think about, for your daily business to business situation. But you use AI for chasing high foot traffic areas. Example, construction sites, lunch crowds, catering to business or B2B. You use AI to identify nearby corporate offices for high margin, consistent catering contracts. Now, hopefully by the end of this video, I'm going to give you some AI apps that you can use. Next. Food truck operations continued, okay? The niche concept selection. All right, fusion plus health consciousness. AI can identify underserved niches for you. Example, Korean barbecue plus healthy vegetarian in specific areas. AI also can help you with your sustainability focus. AI-driven inventory management significantly reduces waste, enabling your business to position itself as an eco-friendly and appeal to the premium paying customers. Hyper-targeted AI marketing. Now, this is where we're using automated social media and ads. We're using tools like Find AI to automatically create, target, and launch our marketing campaigns within a specific zip code for your food truck where your truck is currently operating. Now that is smart technology. Also, for your food truck business, we're going to use AI-powered menus, where we're using generative AI to create, test, and instantly update digital QR code-based menus based on what is selling best or based on the time of day. Right? And lastly, dynamic engagement, where we're using AI chatbots to handle orders and answer questions, which is going to enhance your customer's experience while saving you precious labor costs. Some of that. Yeah. Now, as promised, let's talk about some of these AI technologies that you can actually use in your food truck business. Now, when it comes to your point of sale systems or your POS systems with AI, you can use Square for restaurants, Toast, or MarketMan. Those are some good AI tools that you can use in your food truck business for your POS systems. Now, again, let's talk about that AI hyper targeted marketing situation where we're saying you can use Find AI by Good Find, which Find is spelled FYND-AI. All right. Now that is for your hyper targeted marketing campaign that you got going on with your food truck, right? And finally, when it comes to your generative AI, because see, there's different types of AI, which we're going to talk about further in chapter 2. But when you use generative AI for your marketing / your menu, you can use Claude or ChatGPT for content, or you can use Canva because it has that magic right also for design as well, right? Now, moving right along. Now that we got that part of your food truck business out of the way, we need to get back into making money, okay? We need to get back into understanding how your money flows throughout your business, because the question is, if you want to reach a certain gross profit margin, what would you have to sell your product or service for? Okay, yeah, we done reached the end of this video, but I don't know if you know, it's very important that you determine the gross profit dollars that you get from all your sales that contribute to your business's general overhead costs. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to get into the gross profit margin and all of this good stuff in chapter 2 of my business course. I just want to say thank you for paying attention. I love you guys. Bye.